Hi everyone, I'm Amanda and we're at Shoes of Hollywood, and today we're reviewing the Pleaser shoe. So this is a gorgeous style, the Diamante one, and I absolutely love the Pleaser packaging. Their box has beautiful little butterflies over it and then the butterfly here. So they really go to a lot of effort with their packaging. Each shoe is individually wrapped so there's no damage when you're getting the shoes transported. Keeps them really nice and fresh. And then look at this 6-inch heel. So the rhinestones are actually drilled in, then glued on, so they're not going to fall out like cheaper shoes, and they just look absolutely amazing. It's a shiny black 6-inch heel. The base is a beautiful, lovely, soft plush leather with the Pleaser logo in gold, and then the bottom has some beautiful grip, so you're not going to slip or slide anywhere. And you'll feel very secure with this strap around your ankle and the strap at the front. So let's take out the packaging and grab the other one out. And I cannot forget to let you guys know that they come with this gorgeous little carry bag. So if you're traveling and putting the shoes in a suitcase, they won't get scratched on anything. They'll stay safe. You can even use this for other things like your washing if you wanted. All right, should we try them on? So I'm trying on a 7 today, guys. And this is the 6-inch heel. I just love the soles of these. They're so lovely and squishy. They feel really nice on your feet. These are a great versatile shoe. You can wear these out for dinner, out in the discos if you want, for a bit of dancing. Yeah, they're really, really pretty and very, very comfortable. I love the strap around the ankle, feeling very secure. There we go, guys. How about we do a little walk and I can show you how they feel. Yeah, they're really easy to walk in, especially for a 6-inch heel. I'm not having really any dramas with it, feeling very sturdy. The platform at the front definitely helps with that type of thing. What do you guys think? Are you liking these ones? Let me know in the comments. What would you wear these with? Personally, I think a little black dress would look beautiful with these. It would really make these Diamantes and Rhinestones stand out. And I love that they're really, really well made. So they're drilled in. They're not going to fall out, which is really important to me. You don't want your shoes looking cheap and tacky. Pleaser have done a really good job making a great quality heel here. So it's a lovely day here at Shoes of Hollywood. How about we go walk outside and see what the sunshine's looking like? And you can definitely feel how grippy these shoes are on the concrete with that lovely grip at the front. So I'm not sliding, I'm not falling. Feels really, really good. So yeah, guys, these are the 6-inch heels, the Diamante style from Pleaser. How about we take you guys back inside? And the strap around the ankle really helps with walking. Feel very secure, really, really comfortable. So I'm just going to take them off now so you can see how easy they are to take on and off. There's one. And 2. So again guys, these are the DAI 060 heel from Pleaser. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to click the bell at the top so you get our notifications for all our videos, and like and subscribe so you never miss me or any of the new heels at Shoes of Hollywood. See you next time. Bye.